Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well, guys. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to cut any image or any photo on your laptop or your PC using Adobe Illustrator, Vetric and UGS. I will be taking you the steps of generating the G codes, how to cut and how to create the root paths for the image using Vetric, and how to cut it using UGS, which is the software I'm using to control my CNC. This CNC machine you see here, I made it myself in the channel. So if you wanna see how I made this machine in this channel, just head to the video link in the description and you'll be able to see how I made these CNC machines. And if you wanna stay tuned for more video and upcoming video, electronics project videos and other videos, 3D printing videos, just click that subscribe button and make sure the bell icon is enabled so that you won't miss out any next content I'll be uploading. You will be notified. So here in Adobe Illustrator, just you need to create a new worksheet. I have created 100 by 100 worksheet, and after that you need to export. You need to import the photo from your PC where you have been located. Maybe where you located your photo, you just need to import it to the worksheet you just created. After that, you need to dimension the photo to the dimension you need according to your decision or according to your desire. Mine is 100 by 100 millimeters. So after that, click on object and click on image trace. After that, you need to export the photo as DWG file. Make sure you export as DWG file. So after that, export as DWG file. After that, you open Vetric Aspire. You open Aspire so that we can generate the paths. Now here on Aspire, you need to open the file you just created using your Adobe Illustrator. It downloads Ramadan. Open. Here there is a worksheet here. You just need to calibrate your work, your job size, your thickness. You see here it's width, height, thickness, and make sure you select millimeter. I like using millimeters because millimeters are easy to use than inches, but it's just according to you. It just according to you. Here you just see everything. You see the homing. It's also saying the homing place of your machine depends on home place of your machine. Mine homes at the bottom corner. So that's it. After that, you need to select all the work you just created and head to toolpaths. Get the profile. After, you need to select the tool here. The cut depth, you need to calibrate it here. I'm just using 3mm. So after that, you need to select the tool you are using. Here on tools, you need to use the cutter, not just a VB. I use the VB because I'm just using it to show you how to cut using the CNC, but I should be using a cutter or a end mill bit. So after that, click calculate, and after clicking calculate, you just need to, you can simulate it here, simulate the root paths, the path. After that, you save the path. You give it a name and you click save. Make sure you select, not here, make sure you select is G code millimeter.tab file, G code .tab file, and you make sure it's 1 millimeter because you had selected millimeter there. After that, you need to open UGS, Universal G Code Center. After that, you need to open Universal G Code Center and open the file you just created from the Vertric Aspire software. So you open the test file I just created using Aspire. Yeah, the test file here. You click open. And after that, you click connect here. No. And after that, you click connect so that you will be connected to your machine. So for cutting purposes, and as you will click play, the machine will start cutting the work.